Hi, welcome to Extractor World TV. My name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be looking at all the items you need to install an inline fan. The best option is to install a 4-inch or 100mm inline extractor fan such as this. These units are installed in either a ceiling void or loft space above the bathroom, so you need to ensure that you have enough space to house the fan unit above the bathroom ceiling. By excluding the unit from the bathroom, you can not only duct from any bathroom zone, but it also minimises noise levels. So what do I need to have one of these fans installed in my bathroom? First, let's work out our extraction points. We're going to need two of these, one in the bathroom ceiling and one as an extraction point to the outside world. Let's start with the placement of the internal extraction point in the bathroom. Because the fan unit is not situated in the bathroom, this allows you to put your internal grille, such as this, wherever you want it. This means you can safely place the grille directly above your power shower without any worry of damage if it gets splashed. Next, let's look at the external grille options. There are three options here. You can extract through a wall, through a soffit, or vertically through the roof using a roof kit. In this video, we're going to look at the first two options as they're the most common choices. The first option is to vent out of an external gable end wall. We would recommend using the no-resist Backdraft grille for this installation. This grille has been designed to neutralise any resistance to the fan unit while designed to minimise backdrafts entering the ducting. Let's look now at extracting through a soffit. We would recommend using the fixed grille for this installation like this. The no-resist Backdraft grille is designed to work when installed on a vertical wall and will therefore not be an effective option here in minimising backdrafts. This fixed grille will also give a more flush finish, making for a nicer aesthetic. Now let's look at the placement of the fan unit. Inline fans are powerful and conduct over greater distances than your average through-the-wall axial fans. On average, they are happy to duct up to 10 metres, but the shorter distance we can use will minimise stress put on the fan's motor, prolonging its life. We suggest you have the fan situated about halfway between the internal and external extraction points. Fans find it easier to draw rather than push the air. This will help maintain an efficient flow. Let's look at how we connect all of these elements together. For this you will need some 100mm or 4-inch ducting. We suggest using the aluminium flexible ducting like this, as it makes the installation much easier over and around any structural obstacles. It's worth noting that when you install the ducting, you want to pull it as taut as possible to minimise any airflow resistance over the internal ridges of the ducting. To secure the ducting tightly, you will need to use some duct clamps like this. These are placed around both the ducting and the spigot of the grilles or fan unit and tighten using a screwdriver to attach them securely. We suggest adding an inline backdraft shutter such as this in the ducting after the fan unit to help stop any drafts from entering your bathroom when the fan unit is switched off. Let's look at a completed example now to show all the items in place. Here you can see the internal grille leading to the fan unit. The inline backdraft shutter is here, and finally the external grille attached here, and again all secured with duct clamps at each point. I hope this video has been helpful. All of the items shown in this video can be found in the links in the description below. We look forward to seeing you again next time here on Extractor World TV.